Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. Okay guys, welcome to this episode of BrotherBoat. Here we are in the car going towards Rungsted Harbor, where our boat is currently located. We're going up there today to prepare it for spring and prepare it for the voyage home, which is hopefully going to be somewhere start April.
Yep, we are going to bottom paint, we are going to clean the boat, hopefully not in that order, and we're gonna prepare it. We're gonna do something with the deck. What else?
Gonna hopefully do some work to preserve the gel coat on the side of the boat.
Yeah, gonna polish it.
Yeah. Put away the top, you know. And for help, I've recruited my mom, well, our mom. She was the only one who wanted to come along, and Jonas, he's brought his girlfriend.
What else? Our girlfriend's for? And maybe some motor work as well. The weather's been kind of unpredictable here in Denmark, so it might rain. We hope it won't, but if it does, it's not going to be that good. Of course, this is a completely new experience for us, and we don't really know anything about boats, as you might have noticed. So if you have any tips for us, we'd love to hear about them. So put it in the comment section.
Wow, I never thought I would say that.
Saga, sailing saga, sailing saga, sailing saga.
Okay guys, so here we are on the 27 foot Albin Vega with a nice turquoise blue top, anti-skid. Just want to quickly go over the boat with you guys before the great restoration, which is going to be soon, when my wife, she's gonna give the boat a little TLC to make it a more nice space to be. So this is a classic Albin Vega. It's from 1969, build number 512. As you can see, it's pretty classic with, you know, a sink, two with saltwater and freshwater taps, and a compartment for a fridge. And over here we have the gimbal stove top here. Which is pretty nice. It's on gas. Then we have all the classic storage that an Albin Vega has, you know, behind the back rests and on both sides. And then in here we have the classic V-berth, which is very tiny, which should fit 2 adults. Hopefully my 4-month-old son as well. And then here we have storage for our gear, and then you can see the wallpaper is completely almost rotted away from the glass fiber, which we are gonna have to fix at some point. And in here is the head. As you can see, it's really small and it's old school, so it just flushes straight out into the ocean, which is actually actually isn't really legal to do in Denmark, but we have we're exempt from that rule because the boat is so old. So we can use it, but it needs to be something like a couple of miles offshore. So all the carpet and mattresses and everything isn't here yet. My wife is gonna put some new fabric on those, so we can get a nice looking boat. But it's pretty it looks pretty banged up right now, but hopefully in a month or so it's gonna be really nice.
Sailing Saga, Sailing Saga, Sailing Saga, Sailing Saga.
Okay guys, I'm on my way home. Job done. Took, of course, a lot longer than it should have, but you know, it's like what it is like to have a boat, you know. In the end, we managed only to clean the boat on the deck and on the sides, and prepare it for a bottom painting, which we're going to do next time if the weather's hopefully a little bit better, because the people, some of the people around the harbor told us that we probably should wait for the weather to reach, the temperatures to reach around 10 degrees before attempting to bottom paint the boat. So we're going to hold off on that one until next time, hopefully. But yeah, I managed to remove the top and clean everything down and have a good look and see how the boat has gone through the winter, and everything looked fine, so that was good. So yeah, in the end we got a lot less done than we had hoped for, but what can you do? All in the spirit of fun, really. So we'll see next weekend. Anyway, if you want to follow BrotherBoat and our journey on the sailboat Saga, then please subscribe.